Welcome to the EdbMails Exchange Server Backup, a step-by-step guide. EdbMails Exchange Server Backup tool offers a secure way to back up your Exchange server mailboxes, archive mailboxes, and public folders. It uses military-grade AES 256-bit encryption to ensure your backup data remains safe, either with a default key or a private key of your choice. All the backed up content is stored securely on your local computer in an encrypted format, giving you full control and peace of mind. Let's walk through the step-by-step process to perform an Exchange server backup using EdbMails. To use encrypted backup and restore, you must have your own EdbMails account.
Download EdbMails from the official website.
Click Download EdbMails. Click EdbMails Setup File.
Complete the installation process on your system.
Log in to EdbMails application with the email address and password. Select Backup Live Exchange. Select Exchange Backup. Keep the default job name or click New Job to change. Click Browse. Select the location to save the backup data. Click Next to continue. Click Add New Connection to connect to the source Exchange server. Select the required connection options. Click Next to continue. Enter the source Exchange server details. Click Login to continue.
Select the required option to load the mailboxes.
Click Next to continue. Select the mailboxes, folders you want to backup. Click Next to continue. Click Start Backup. Select one of the options to set the encryption key. You can set your own private encryption key. Enter your private encryption key and confirm it. Click Save. Backup operation under progress. Backup operation completed. Click View Logs button to get operation report. That's it for a hassle-free Exchange server backup. Visit edbmails.com today.